Hey everybody, Dominic with Forest Park Honda here. I'm going to be showing you a new addition to our pre-owned inventory here. This is a 2025 Honda Pioneer 1003 EPS in Hero Red. This machine is in excellent condition with just 127 miles and 16.6 hours on the clock. You'll notice this machine is very well equipped with Honda's aluminum A-arm guards, front and rear, and aluminum skid plate. Nice large steel rear bumper from Honda. Of course, these are very capable machines with a 1,000-pound bed capacity and a 2,500-pound towing capacity that uses a standard 2-inch drawbar. Of course, this 1003 Pioneer has electronic power steering as standard, making it very easy to maneuver in slower speeds. Do have the Honda worn 4,500-pound steel cable winch. With the 1000 Pioneers, these do have the 999cc fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine with the 6-speed DCT automatic transmission. This machine also has a high-low sub-transmission. And for more sensitive surfaces, it does have a nice turf mode. And of course your traditional 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and a front 4-wheel differential lock. Tilt steering wheel as well. And in just a moment we will start it up and take a look at that mileage. As you've probably noticed, this machine also has a hard roof, the fabric rear panel with roll-up window, the bed release is just behind the driver and passenger side seat with a gas strut assist. A nice sized glove compartment with the rope style winch controller, as well as owner's manuals. And of course that super important Honda glass windshield. Very, very scratch resistant, and of course, if decided at a later date, can apply a windshield wiper and washer assembly. And of course you do also have a nice rear view mirror. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage and the hours. $127 miles and 16.6 hours. Let's go ahead and start it up. As you can hear, the machine fires right up, runs nice and smooth. This machine also has a 7.9 gallon fuel capacity located on the passenger side. And of course, is rated to run on regular fuel. If you have any particular questions on this machine, feel free to give us a call at Forest Park Honda, Erie, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 814-833-3051, extension 170. My name's Dominic. Give us a call on this one.